Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and remove your hats. As Senior Master Sergeant Chris Calhoun from the 54th Maintenance Squadron and Senior Airman Shante Dixon from the 49th OSS provide us with our national anthem.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare above bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Ladies and gentlemen, give another round of applause to our anthem singers and jumper Dave.